Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
All right, y'all. So we are on the 54th floor of the JW Marriott Hotel. As soon as you walk in, you come into our bathroom. First of all, look how big this bathroom is, y'all. This is the standing shower. They gave us nice robes. Then you walk to this side, and they have the standard toilet and bidet here. And then you come here, and they have the tub. Our sinks. Look at how big this bathroom is. Okay. Now, there's Angela. So here we have our double closets, which me and Angela love because we always fight for closet space whenever we travel. And guess who gets 2 closets now? I do. So when we come out of the bathroom, here is our room. We have water on deck. It is hot as heck here. Tea and coffee. And then we have our, I'm assuming this is a mini fridge, but I think it's more so for wine. But we're going to use it for our water. And then you come on into the room. We have a double bed because Angela and I are sisters in Dubai. And I'll explain more about that in another video. And then here we have our sitting area, TV, desk, and the best part about this large spacious room is this view. Let me show y'all. The view is amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at this. We get a city view. Gonna come over here, show you this side. It is beautiful. Show you over here. It's just gorgeous. All right, we're gonna show y'all the rest of the hotel as well. Coming up. So I told y'all we are on the 56th floor of the hotel. So this is what we see when we come to the elevator. Look at that. 56 floors up. Pretty high. Let me get you the other side too. This is Dubai. Early morning. So this is how quickly the elevator goes. Look at that. And you can see behind us, we're seeing the whole city. My ears are popping too. It's popping. It's popping. This is the 6th floor where they have different restaurants. Oh, the Garden is a type of restaurant. Okay. So this is one of the 17 restaurants that they have available. It does. The multiple food options in the hotel are actually really, really good because you don't have to leave the hotel for food. You can just head down or up to one of the restaurants. They also have multiple lounges, multiple bars. Honestly, we were not able to cover the entire hotel in this video, but this is a good glimpse of the stuff that is included there. This way to brunch. They have lots of mirrors on this floor. All right, now we are headed up to M, which is the swimming pool.
I know he was getting me. Dang.
So they have the spa here. Oh, it looks like people are already out at the pool. In the pool. But this is the pool, y'all. I don't want to be rude and get, you know, people swimming. So this is as close as I'm going to get, but it is beautiful. Can you take me? So this is the view from the pool.
Beautiful. Hotel.
Wow. Oh, so this is the hotel we're staying at. The JW Marriott. So look how tall that building is. So it's 2 towers, Tower A and Tower B. We're staying in Tower B, which I believe is this one to the right. Okay, Let me show y'all over here. Man, this view is nice. Wow. Nice.
Ooh, this is nice.
While in Dubai,
Very
we
nice.
met lots of other tourists, okay? The culture shock for us were tourists from other areas wanting to take photos with us. We've never experienced this traveling in other countries, but this woman, she was really nice. She wanted to take a photo with us, and we took it. And later on, throughout our trip, multiple other people wanted to as well. So we kind of got used to it.
I did that to make the camera look better.
This is what it looks like at nighttime. Look at that waterfall. And we are just up by the pool where we were at earlier today. And it just looks like a different place at nighttime. So you can see how fast the elevators go. So we showed you what it looks like at nighttime. I don't know if we could show you during the day. It looks a little bit different. You can see the beautiful water. Again, we are at the hotel still. So this is level 52. We're on our floor. And we just came out to the lobby to catch the elevator down. Y'all, throughout this video, I keep saying we're on level 52, 54, 56. I don't remember which level we were on. We were on 50 something, okay? But now we're headed to the kitchen for breakfast. So with our package, we did get breakfast included. I'm not sure if this is optional or automatic for this hotel, but you'll want to check into that. I say that the breakfast part is worth it. So they do serve breakfast every morning. As you can see, they have different juice options. They have a lot of options. You can do like omelets, eggs, typical breakfast foods. They do cater to their international audience here, so it'll be like a typical American breakfast food. This sign gets me every time. Like, this is supposed to say the exit, I guess.
Yeah.
And it's looking like an emergency. This is how you should get out of the building. How you supposed to get out?
Come on, man. Come on. What you supposed to do? Walking?
And to our suite.
Oh, yes.
Y'all already seen it, so we don't need to show y'all again. Real Russians. And then they have lots of restaurants. They have a gift shop. Lush Burger is upstairs. And this is the lounge.
Although we had a second here, it's pretty nice.
It is nice.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We do post videos every single week. Every Friday you get new content from us, as well as reels throughout the week. So subscribe. Also comment below. Let us know if you plan on staying here. Have you stayed here before? What'd you think of our video? And how did you find us?
All right, y'all. It's been sweet. Check us out next week when we out here in these streets. Peace.